Hello guys, in this video I am going to guide you on how to create a VTU website like the one that I will show you in Play Store. When you search data, you should see many applications uploaded to Play Store for data purchase and airtime. So I will guide you on how to create such applications using your mobile phone and a script. So this is beta data, the application that I created myself. As you can see now, I am showing you how to use it. It has many features such as beta data academy, where you can learn about cryptocurrency, and many features like stores and trading books and so on. So this is a special website that I designed. So when you click on this login for beta data BTU, you'll get access to register or use any features in this. So when you click on register, this is the sample website that I will guide you on how to create. So you should just use your name. When you click on login, you will get access to the page where you can use your information to log in into this page. So let me register this website for you and see how the website will look like. So you can also add this customize button to chat your customers instantly. I click on register. You should use your name. So as you can see, I am typing. You should use your mobile phone and email to register. So any person that registered on your website can have access to fund his wallet and use that wallet to purchase airtime or data. As you can see, I select my state. I will type a password and confirm that password. I should choose a transaction pin and put a referral code. You can have a referral code. As you can see, this is the phone number. So if I set a referral code for 15 naira when someone sign registration successfully, it will automatically credit the referral user that I will use. So this is a notification that shows you can click on OK. From this WhatsApp button, you can see you can add all this information. You can add your phone number, your email, your WhatsApp group, and so many things that when your users want to contact you, you should just click on it and contact you. So I will guide you on how to create this functional BTU website. When you click on add phone, as you can see, your user will be able to make a KYC on his web to get his account number. This is the updated one that CBN instruct all the BTU website script users to add the BVN and NIN verification system to get access to Monify account. So this is the system. You can get access to this script. I will show you how to get access to this script at the end of this video. You don't need to code. You don't need to have any skills. This is a manual funding account. You can add your account number. When user copy and send money, you can click on this contact admin. It will directly redirect him to your phone number on WhatsApp, so that he can chat you and send you the email address and the receipt, so that you can pawn his account. So I will guide you on how to use it. When you click on login, it will just redirect you and save your number. As you can see, it just saved the number. I can type the number and change it and type my password to click on login. So after I click on login, so it will directly show me my account number, my wallet balance. So as you can see now, I have 1,400. These are the account number that when I punch money, it will automatically credited into this wallet, and I can use that money to purchase airtime, data, pay cable subscription, and do all the things as you can see. By example, so as you can see, when I click on buy data, it would ask me either to choose from MTN, Airtel, or what. I will show you choose SME, select the plan. Let me select 1 gig as a plan. So as you can see, I can type the number. I can type my number so that I will credit myself. So as you can see, the price for 1 gig is 255 on my website. I set this amount purposely, so I can click on disable number validator if I don't want MTN to validate my number. So click on buy data, and it will ask you for your PIN. So even a user log into your wallet, if he don't have access to this PIN, he can't purchase anything from your website. So this is the transaction successfully. As you can see, the transaction status, the amount, the old balance, and the new balance. The data has already credited into my account, as you can see. So I can click on this view user receipt, so that it will not show the old balance and new balance for the user. I can share the receipt with the user, so that the user can use that receipt to see that I credit him. This is the step by step that I created I will guide you throughout these steps to create a exactly B2 website that I show you before. So this is the steps that I will take you through to create this beautiful website and create this beautiful B2 application. As you can see, the first one is to purchase the domain, hosting, and SSL certificate for your website to be hosted online. So what I mean by this is that if you want to, you can go directly to truehost.com.ng, as you can see, to purchase what? To purchase your domain, SSL certificate, and the hosting. Hosting is where you can store all the datas online, while domain is the username. Like this one, truehost.com.ng is their domain. I can use betadata.com.ng as my domain, while the SSL certificate is the HTTPS. Just click on register, as you can see on this website. Just use your information like first name. You don't need anything to register with this domain or hosting providers. So now that I have account, I should just log into that account. You just need your email address and the password to register. So now I log into my account. As you can see, I have 2 services and 1 domain. This is the page that we should show you. After you have logged into this Truehost, you should just directly go to the domain, register a new domain. As you can see, I click on register on a new domain. So I will just directly type the domain that I prepared here. For the B2 website, I always prepare .com.ng. So now I will type btudata.com.ng and search if it is available. So you see it is unavailable. So let me use for instance, you can use your name. Let me use Musa Data. As you can see, it will automatically shows that it is available, and the price for this domain is 2,100 because they are using USDT to purchase this domain. That's why the price is increasing every day. So it has no hosting, so I should click on this no hosting to select a hosting, specific hosting for my domain. So as you can see, these are the hosting plan. So you need to just purchase a small hosting. As you can see, I just choose for I just use this domain. I will just use this domain on the hosting. So now I should personally choose either to be 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or whatsoever. Let me choose this 3 months for now. It will ask you either you want SSL certificate. SSL certificate is the one that will protect your website from scammers, meaning scammers cannot have access to the website. You need to select this DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding because they are the available add-ons on this hosting. So now you see your domain has hosting and the price for the domain. You can just remove this who is protection. As you can see, it costs you 1,500. So you need to just remove it. The who is feature is just for those that want to protect their informations from the public. So that's it. So you need to just tick on this premium SSL certificate. As you can see, it has discount on it. So after you choose it, it will automatically add the 6,000 naira additional charges on your purchase. So this is the SSL certificate. If you have any promo code, so for now I don't have any promo code. You can see your order summary. You have SSL certificate for 6,000 through hosting domain, and so you can just click on check now. This is simple way to purchase a domain, hosting, and SSL certificate. Use this Visa and MasterCard using Paystack. Make sure you use it and click on I have read agree so to complete your order. So after you have clicked on complete order, as you can see, I am doing the process. So you can go directly on your on the page that you want to. You can see it is on page for now. So you need to just click on Pay Now. After you click on Pay Now, it will show you the account number or the place where you can add your a place where you can add your pay with card or pay with transfer. But I prefer this pay with transfer. So I should copy just this account number, send the exact amount, 12,300. It will automatically credit the account number, and this transaction will automatically be successfully, or you can just come manually and click on I have made the transfer. So after that, your SSL certificate, your hosting, and the domain will automatically be purchased, and you should just receive a login details for your cPanel. Get your cPanel login credentials from your hosting providers. They should just send you the login details for your for your cPanel on what, on your email. The email that you registered, you should just automatically receive the. So now I have the, you can see that order. I have SSL certificate, I have hosting, I have domain here. For now, this one I will not pay for it. For now, I will not pay for this one because I just use it to show you how to register. So you can click on my service to make sure that all your all the things that you have purchased are active. So when it is active, you can use any hosting, but I prefer this through host because you can use hosting, jar, Namecheap, and so on, every hosting provider that you choose. So now I should just click on this. After I click on my hosting, it will just redirect me to this page. So as you can see, it redirect me to this page where I can get access to this cPanel. You can see one click login, it can automatically log me to my cPanel. So as you can see now, when I click on this login, so I choose what, I choose my services and click on my hosting, and it will it will directly redirect me to this website. It redirect me to this cPanel page. So you can also use your website. For instance, if my website is already propagated, I can use like betadata.com.ng/cpanel. You can type your domain, then add /cpanel at the end. So when you type /cpanel at the end, it will directly show you this cPanel page. So it will ask you just for the username and the password. That username and the password, your hosting will send it to your email. So after you get that, you can log into your website. So for now, create email with password. So let me just use this Apis host because currently I'm doing this website for a client. Those clients pay for this service, and he already purchased his through his hosting from Apis host. So this is his choice. So I will go directly to this my page and click on hosting and services, my hosting and services. After that, I am just looking for what, I am just looking for a direct way to log in into what, into his cPanel. So if you click on this, as you can see, it will show you view details. After you click on view details, it will show you this page where you can see the cPanel. One click login to your cPanel, or one click login to your file manager and PHP or whatsoever. So now I was directly login to my cPanel. So what is the next step? Create email with password. You can see create email with password. For now, I should just click on this email account at the top. You can search it from the top. So click on this what? Click on this create. As you can see, I click on this create. It will ask you to type the prepared name. So I will use support, or you can use info, you can use whatsoever. So this is the website email. So I can type the password. Make sure you type the password that you can remember, and save this password because it will be useful at the future. So now I type this password, and I will copy this password. For instance, let me just show this password for now. Stay on this page. After I click, I will take this page, stay on this page. After I click on create. So I type this password, enter a stronger password. It will ask you this to enter a stronger password. This is the dairy website, so I will use this password, the dairy data 123 at hash. Let me see if this password is stronger to use. So after you have confirmed that the password you are using is stronger, the dairy 123 at hash, so it show me this website strange is good to be used. So let me just use info because the email that I am trying to create was already created. So let me use this website at hash plus because I think it is that stronger. So let me copy this password. As you can see, I will save it somewhere else because I will use it later on. So as you can see, the dairy data 1 at hash. So let me use this one and update the email. So now the email was successfully created. As you can see, you have changed the email info. So this is the email. Let me just open my note. As you can see, so that I will save all the information that I am creating currently. This is the email password. You can type email password in from not to forget. This is the email account that I created, right? Let me copy the email address and paste it. So this is the email address that I created. So you can paste it. You can type you can indicate the SEP information. Let me click on this C panel to get back. So for now, let me check what is the next step. Create database name and username in my SQL wizard. So you should just go directly to my SQL and database wizard. Make sure you click on this, my SQL database wizard. You can search it if you didn't see it. So and click on and create a database. So for now, I should use app at the extension of my database. So for the user, I'll create both the database and the user. I will also use the same name. You can use different name, but I prefer to use the same name. Use app again. So make sure you just use let me use the same password as the one I used for the email address, so that to reduce the confusion in this video. So let me paste it here for the password, and you can type the password again. So you see the suggestion of the strength of my password is great. So let me just tick this. You can see the username and the database at the top. You will need to copy them both, but for now, since I use the same, so I will add all these privilege. You need to tick that privilege and click on make change. Make sure you click on this privilege and click on make change. So let me go directly and save the database and the username. You need to copy them both, but for now that I use the same name, so I just copy one. So that's it. So for now, upload the script in file manager and extract is zip file, meaning in public HTML. You have to go back to your C panel and click on this file manager. Make sure you click on this file manager and go directly to the public HTML. Since I am using Pon, I should use this site to log in into any folder that I want. So you can see this folder is empty. If it show you anything, you can remove it. Click on that upload and upload this script. At the end of this video, I will guide you on how to get this script. So this is the script that I will upload on this. This is the updated script. Make sure you are using either APK. This APK is for those that are using our previous script. That for now, let me use this updated script. It's the one that you should use. I will give you access to this SQL file and the script file at the end of this video. So you need to follow me up for that. Let me just you need to just click on this updated script zip. This is the one that I should use. Make sure you are using this one. So you need to wait for this upload to finish. It will show you either green after it finish. You can see now it show me green. Just go back to the page. You can see it has successfully been uploaded. So now I should click on it, hold and click on this extract. I will extract the zip file that I uploaded. You need to extract it in in public HTML. As I told you, if you see any folder, you need to just delete the folder. So now that I successfully, if you didn't get a SQL file, we have SQL file in it. You can delete this one. This is the zip file that you uploaded. You can delete it to create more space on your hosting. So build trash. You can. This is the previous folder that I just deleted. After you deleted something, it will save in the trash. So you can go to the trash and delete it. So for now, let me check what is the next step. Upload the SQL file in your database. That is PHP my admin. Let me go back to it and upload the SQL file. Let me just click on this C panel. As you can see, when you click on CP, it will just go back to the main page. You need to click on PHP my admin. PHP my admin is the folder that you should just is the directory you should click. So you need to identify the database that you created. This is the database that I created. You can see it is empty for now. So you need to just import the file. As I told you, you need to click on this, click on import file. So you need to click on this import and click on this choose file from the you need to just click on choose file. Go to your file manager and select this SQL file. This is the database. This is the SQL file. I will give you access to this. As I told you, you need to just click on import. So after you click on this import, it will import the SQL database on your page. So now the SQL was successfully imported on this database. When you click on the database, you can see the those folders were uploaded at the main. So there are what, there are at least 18 tables. There are 18 tables, so make sure they are exactly like that. So let me go back to the process and see what are the next step. So connect your database with the script from the core model slash model.php. Change the database and username, email, and their password. So let me go back to the cPanel file manager and go and navigate the core file. So this is the what? This is the core. I should click on this core. After I click on core public HTML, make sure you go to public HTML. So after I click on public HTML, since I am using Pond, I should use this this site so that to navigate into the core. So I should click on core model. After I click on core, I should click on model. So this is the model.php. I will just hold on it and click on edit. As you can see, you need to just look carefully the way I am doing it. So just click on edit, as you can see. So it will show you this page. You need to just navigate to this 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, I think, and 13. So you need to you need to just edit this. You need to copy this the dairy data app. This is the database name and the what, and the username. So for the database name, you need to just remove this one, this IRB. So you need to paste the one that you just copy recently. This is what, this is the DB name. This is the DB name. There is no option to paste because I am using Pond. So let me just type it, the dairy hyphen app. Make sure you type this hyphen exactly, the dairy hyphen app. So let me change also the username, the dairy hyphen app. So I have changed this one. Let me change the password. So if you didn't forget, this is the password for the database that I created. So I use what? I use the dairy data one at hash. So as you can see, this is the password that I use, right? So let me check for the email address that I use and the password that I use for the email address. To change it exactly, I use info at what, at thedairydata.com.ng. Make sure you type it exactly, because if this connection is wrong, it will not connect you to the what, to the it will not connect you to the page, thedairydata.ng. So I use also the same password, the dairy data one at hash. So make sure the email password is also exactly as the one you created, because it may create confusion. But if you use the same password, it will not create confusion. So you need to just click on save change. It will show you this successfully at the bottom, so it means that it was saved. Then click on colors and it will close this page for you. So let me see what's the next step for us to continue. So I should just go back to the vendor page. As you can see, what's the next step? Change your app name in dashboard core slash what. You need to just navigate back to the core. I will also give you access to this step by step PDF. Click on what? Click on core and navigate to this site.php. core slash Paul slash what. This is the app name. You can remove this slash afk and leave it blank, because if you leave it like that, if you leave it apk slash, meaning that your core file are in what, are exactly in what, in apk. So this is you should change the name of your data, the name of your app at the above, and click on save change. So this is in the bendo in core slash helper slash bendo slash site.php. This is the directory for this one. So you can see the directory. So change name, front end details, name, index.php, contact, and privacy. Let me go directly to the public HTML and change this in. You can click on index.html. This is the index.html file. When you click on it and click on edit, it will change all the informations on the website to look exactly like your own. So let me use this information. Just click on this search icon, then type budget for data because is the name that is previous. Then click on this plus icon. You can see a small plus icon at the bottom. Then replace with what? Replace with your exactly website name, the daily data. Then click on all and click on replace. So after that, you can click on save change, because now you can see the available change is 0 of 0. So now means that it was changed. Then click on save change. So let me go to the contact.html and also edit that. Click on edit on contact.html and also edit that information. So after you click on contact.html, use that the same process that you use and type budget for data and type your website name. Then do not leave any space. Then click on all and click on replace. It will do the same thing and click on save. Then go to privacy policy and also do the same thing as you did on what? As you did on your index. Then click on search button, type the budget for data, and click on plus icon. As you can see, type the name of your password, this one, and click on all. Then click on replace. It will show you 0 of 0. Then click on save change and go back to your page. So let us see what is the next step for us to create this VTU website exactly. So create and upload your logo. Asset slash image is the directory. 840 by 270 is the what? Is the size of that logo. So let me go directly and search for let me go directly and search for the website to show you where the logo will appear after I do that. And this is the page that I created, the dairydata.ng. So you can see login, welcome to the dairy data. You can see the name was changed. This is the logo at the top and this is the logo at the bottom. So I need just to change this budget for data. This is the name that I changed from index.html. Welcome to the dairy. As you can see, all this information were changed in that script. So let me go directly and create a logo at 840 by 270 width by height, and create on Pabicon at square a square Pabicon. So let me go to my Fixel. I will also guide you on how to create this logo. This is a perfect course that you can't get anywhere, because I didn't left any step for you to do it yourself. Just I created the logo for you. This is the size of the web of the logo. I just give you the calculations in the step-by-step guide. So let me you need to just go and select your downloaded logo. You can also create you can also, this is the logo. If you have available logo, because this person just sent me his logo, I will just copy this thing because it's the only thing that I need from now. So let me just copy this one. You can also use anything. After you just let me change the name to exactly the one, the dairy data. As you can see, let me drag it here exactly at the bottom. Let me just delete this one and change the color of the cycle to look exactly white, because to match with what? To match the color of my on my image. So it look exactly white. Let me drag this name to exactly at the bottom. So you can see I will just click on save change. This is the width and height layer for the Fabicon. So I will also use ultra to save the ultra version, because it will just look higher quality. So let me go to my project, and you can I don't want to take it longer, so that's why I don't want to show you. This is the size that I show you previously in the link. So I will take the high quality one that I saved and import it here. So I can reduce the size to look exactly like this. You can also reduce the size to look exactly like this one that I am showing you. Change the name to what? Change the name to the dairy data. So let me also reduce the size of the name to look exactly like the one that I use. So let me delete this one also, so that I will set it. Then you need to just save it like this. The dairy data. Then save to gallery. As you can see now, I save it to gallery at what? at just 840 to 270. Make sure it is PNG, because if it is JPG, it will not show you. This is the PNG. I will save it 7 times. Do you know why? What is the reason for saving it 7 times? So I will show you the reason for saving it 7 times. This is the reason. I will save it 7 times. Make sure you save this your logo 7 times, because you should use it. So let me see what's the next steps. So you can see this is the data, this is the logo that I created. They are almost 7. So I will just move them into what? Move them into a folder. Let me just move them into a folder. Let me move them into a single folder, so that I can do what? I can compress that folder, because if you didn't compress that folder, you can't upload it to your website. Just go back to the internal and check the logo that you just created, and rename the folder to look exactly imgdd. So img, the name that you prepared, you can also you can see. So let me rename all this logo. You can see, let me rename it Pabicon. Let me rename all these logos to exactly the name of the logo that I am using. So let me show you the name of the logos that you can use when you click on this asset. When you click on this asset and redirect yourself to the img asset slash img. So let me go to the img. As you can see, you can see the name of the logos: brand logo, logo dark, logo dark 2, logo dark 30R60, logo dark F9E. So you can copy this name. You can copy this name. For instance, you can copy this name, go and rename one single you can rename it like this. You can rename this image. So I should use all those names to rename this one, to rename this image. So let me rename all the logos. So you can screenshot this and rename your image. So after that, I will just click on compress. You can see you can compress it to zip file. Make sure it is zip file, because if it's not zip file, you can't upload it. So now I compress it to zip file. So let me go back to the img and click on what? Let me just delete all this one by one. I will delete on brand logo, I will delete on logo dark, I will delete on logo dark 2, I will delete on Pabicon, because if you didn't delete all those previous image, you can use them. So now I have removed all those 7. I should click on this upload. After you click on this upload, click on this upload again and upload that compressed zip file that you created before. So if you click on that compressed zip file that you created before, this is the zip file, right? img.dd.zip that I created. So it will show you green, meaning that it's successfully uploaded. So you just need to hold on it and just click on extract. After you click on extract, it will be extracted to this directly. Click on refresh, and you can just go directly into imgdd. As you can see, let me go to the imgdd. So click on imgdd. You can delete this one that you just recently imported. Click on img asset, click on asset, click on img, click on imgdd. So let me just select them all. After you click on select them all, just click on move and remove the imgdd, meaning they will move to the what? To the redirectly img. So now let me go back up one level, so you can see now they were moved to this directly. So if you want to refresh this page, so it will just automatically be refreshed and show you your logo. So it will not show you automatically, but you need to just copy this thing and go to the new incognito tab. After you just go to the new incognito tab, either to clear your cache or to just go to the other browsers to check if your logo was successfully uploaded, or to use incognito mode to check either your logo was successfully uploaded. Let me just use this page, so you can see the logo was changed, the name was updated. So you can see all the logos were changed. So What exactly is the next step from this? You can click on login. You can see now it's showing you login. When you click on register, it will show you register page. So now, meaning that your database was successfully connected, you have updated the logo. So let's see what's the name. Just create a mobile app using app creator and copy the download link. So this is the next step. Let me go to the when you click, after you created the, when you click on this download app, it will directly download the mobile app for your users. That's the reason for this. When you click on download app, it will download your application to your Android users, while your iPhone users can use the URL, or you can wanna, so you can search on appcreator24.com or app creator, and just appcreator24.com. It will show you this page. Just click on sign up. After you click on sign up, you should just use your email and the password to register. So after that, just click on sign in to log in into a page. So this is the simple app creation website where you can create a mobile app in a minute. So click on create app, write the application name. So for now, I should type the dairy data. Then app icon, I should choose one of the high quality logo that I just used. For now, let me just click on this one. Then choose this one as my logo. For app creation description, you can type anything. The dairy data is the best BTU website. So you can type anything that you prefer. You can just click on next after that. So after you click on next, your application will ask you with menu bar you need also. So click on web app. Make sure you click on web app and type the exactly title of the website. Now I am using the dairy data. For this web page, you need to paste the exact URL and click on save. So after you just save the page, it will show you this one. Then click on general information, name and icon. Make sure they are the same. Just click on what, generate APK and AAB. This AAB will be used to upload your application on Play Store. This is the AAB file. This is the general one. So if you are requested for privacy link, this is the privacy link you should share while uploading on Play Store. So you need to just click on design and go to the bottom menu type. You need to just choose this without menu. If you click on this without menu and click on save, so you can go directly to this word loading image. Loading image, you can change this login image to, you can leave it like that, but let me give you exactly the best loading image that you should use, like this one you see on my image and so on. You can use any loading image. So let me go to Pixel and show you how to create this this one. So this is the loading image. Let me just upload his logo on this one, so that I will create a best login image for him. This is the favicon that I should use. So let me drag it exactly to the place. This is the other logo that I created for him. So let me just resize it to the level where I can use it. So you can see now. Let me just change the name to welcome to what? Welcome to the dairy data. Welcome to the dairy data. You can create any design to upload on your what? On your pop-up screen. So let me just remove all this in to make let me change the number. This is the mobile number, the WhatsApp number that you can pop up. This is the website URL. I can just use the dairydata.com.ng. So this is exactly the pop-up screen that we should show. Let me save it. The size is 1080 to 1920. You can take it. This is the custom size. I can use ultra because to show it, but you can use higher quality. So let me change it. Click on choose file. After you click on choose file, just select the exact one that you have used. This you can use PNG and JPG. So this showing you that no which you can use fit to screen, because it will show for 2 seconds only image, and click on save. So after you said that, this is just the additional thing that you can do. Click on download app. So this is the page. Do you need the AAB? When you click on AAB, it will hold this download button and copy the link address. When you copy the link address, hold download image as I show you. Copy the download image, meaning that when you copy that, and go back to what, go back to your public HTML. Click on this index. After you click on this index, click on edit. After you click on edit, use that index and search, use this search button to search for download if you didn't see the download. But I will show you the exactly download. This is 119, I think. Just remove this, just remove this URL and paste the one that you recently copied. So don't forget, use the download link that you recently copied from the page. You need to hold this download and copy the link. Click on copy the link, go back to, you can paste this to save your link. So this is the URL I am currently using. So there is no option to paste it, so let me type it for now, because if there is option to paste, you should just paste it. Because now I am using font, so there is no option to paste. I will just type it. So this is not the only download button link, because we have one in the navigation. So after I just finish writing this, I will show you how to change also that one. So you can see this is the other download link, download app link. So I will also change this one. It is 156, line 156. That previous one is at line 119, I think. So let us go and click on save change. After you change that email, that link from the href to the end. So after I click on this download app, so let me use it. Let me just know what is the create an API account and copy the API. Let me go to the, when you click on this download app, it will just ask you to click on download. It will automatically start downloading. So this is the features that I just prepared using this script. It directly download the application. You can see I can just click on installed. So any user that is using your website, even though you didn't upload your app on Play Store, you can directly download your application on your website. So there is no need to pressure yourself to pay for the Play Store upload. So you can see I can open the application after that. So let me go exactly to the Dederi app. You can see this is the application that I recently created. You can also use this method to create this exact application that I just created. So after you click on application, because this is the first time for login, it show me that the one that I created, that the pop-up logo. So you can click on register to register. You can click on login to just log into your page. So let me just firstly register with this website. So I can type my name. I can type my phone number to register. I can type my email address to register. Then click on continue. Click on your best. Click on the password. Type, repeat the password to confirm the password. Select a PIN for the transaction and type the referral code. So I will just click on register, because now I have account. It show me email and phone number already exists. Let me just go directly to the login now. Just to log into my account. So I'll go back to click on login, just to log in back to my account, because I want to show you the back end of this script. So when you click on login, it will just ask you for your phone number and the email and the password, because now I have logged before. That's why it directly sent me to this page. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. After a user click on this let me see what's the next step. Create an API and link into your website. So this is the place where you can go directly to your admin dashboard. Create an API user and upgrade it to the API. Just go to the mascawaswap.com and create an account. So this is the Mascawaswap API that you can just create and upgrade your account to the package API. You can share the username to upgrade you freely if you purchase the script. So after you just click on developer/API, you can get your API key from here. So this is the API key, and this is the data ID that you can use. This is the data ID that you can use to set your data price on your website. So let me just copy the API key and show you how to paste it on your website. This is the plan, the price that you should get. For instance, this is the data ID. 235 is the data ID. The name is MTN SME 1 gig. So let me show you how to go directly into our admin dashboard. So when you type your URL, you should just add /admin. You can see when you when you type /admin, it will just directly pop up this page. Then type admin and add the admin as a username, and the password, I will give you the password as pulati123 at hash. You can see this is the password. Don't click on login, it will just open the website like this. So after you just open it, you can see the wallet balance, for Mascawa. You can set at least 3 API websites to see your balance on it. This is the logo, this is the what this is the API automation, this is the main dashboard. I will guide you throughout the admin dashboard of this website to see how you can set and customize your website. This is the user balance. You can see the total amount of the user balance that are on your website, the agent and the vendors balance. This is the referral balance. You can see this is the number of your subscribers, this is the number of your agent, the total referral users, and so on. So for now, let me show you exactly. This is the last 50 transaction on your website. You can see the total people that visit your website per day, the request message that sent to your website. So you can also check the web users. This is the users that are registered on your website. You can check all the users that are registered on your website. You can see all the details of the users that are registered. So you can see the balance. You can credit or debit the user from here. This is the user email. You can click on credit or debit the user email. For that manual funding that I will just show you, when you want to fund his account, just click on 500 and any amount you can set it. You can see the credited, the old balance, and the new balance on your pop-up message. So you can see the next thing that I want to show you from the web user is that you can view the user details. Click on view user and you can see his name, his email address, his phone number, his PIN, and so on, the last activity, the registration date, referral by, the bank name, the account number. You can upgrade into either agent, vendor, or whatsoever. Account status, you can block the user, you can add anything. You can reset the password, meaning to set the password that user requested. You can delete the account at all. You can reset his account API key. Do all these things because you are the what? You are the admin. Click on user funding and just click on paste his email address. Then what? Click on debit or add. Let me just debit this 1 naira from the website. So you can see it is now 500 naira. So when you network management, when you go to the network management, you can now on this page you can manage all the things on your website. So click on airtime discount to set the price of the airtime discount that you want on your website. So you can set the, for instance, MTN, you need to you buy it at what? At 96 naira. You need your user to pay 99 naira. You need agent to pay 98 naira. So you can set all these things from the page. Let me show you the data plan. So you can also set the data plan. For instance, let me give you one example. For instance, let me search for MTN SME 1 gig. So as I showed you previously, the data ID, you can select the name, you can set the name, meaning the amount, data type, you can select, this is the plan ID, and set the duration. Just buying price is you can set the buying price, you can set how much the user will pay, how much the agent will pay, how much the vendor will pay, and just update it. So this is how to update all the plans on your website, because we have already uploaded and just tally it with the Mascawa, so you don't need to use that one. This is the network management. As I showed you previously, we have electricity bill, exam bill, data, PIN, all these services. You can click on history to get to check all the transaction of your customer. For instance, let me click on this transaction. I will show you something: the amount, the old balance, the new balance of the user. You can change the status of the transaction. For instance, you can change successfully and debit, fail, or refund. If it is fail, it will automatically refund back to the user page. So you can see now I have refunded the previous transaction to the user's wallet. So no need to do it manually. You can just use it, click on update and update the transaction. You can see the total sales you have made, the total profit you have made, the successful transaction, failed transaction, the data profit and the data sales, the cable profit and the cables. All these things you can see it from what? From analysis, on your website. So you can also check what? You can also check the sent email, meaning you can type the user email and send him exactly the customized email that you want. Subject, you can set the subject. This is the page for the subject. Then type his email and send the message. For notification message, is the message that will pop up immediately after you log into your wallet. You can enable it, you can disable it from the above. You can choose, let me just set the exact message that I want for the website. For instance, let me copy this one and set the one that you want. For instance, you can enable it and disable it. For instance, let me type welcome message for the above. You can use either subscribers to see all your agents. Just for now, dear customers, you are welcome to the dairy data. We are the best BTU service providers for all network. So let me just set this one, because when a user login, you can delete the previous one. When user just log into our page, he will see exactly that that thing that you just uploaded, meaning the pop-up notification when he log into his page. So for instance, let me log into this one to show you the, because you can type the number and set to what, and set the you can type the password to login. So for instance, login successfully. So as I showed you, this is the welcome message. This is the amount that I pawned, the one that I refunded, and the one that I pawned to the wallet. When I click on add account, so you can see previously I have an account number for now, but I will delete that account to create a new user. This is the contact us, because I can change these contact details. Let me show you how to change these contact details, because when user click on it, it will direct him to your page. Let's site label site live message. When user requested a site live message, it will just pop up on this. This is the place where a user will send you direct message on your website, and you can reply him here. You can also say reply to him back. So this is the account management. You can change your your admin dashboard password. This is what, this is the place where you can change the modify configuration, meaning web setting. So this is the place where you can change the website name. For instance, let me change it to the dairy data for now. The dairy data, the website URL, let me change it to the dairydata.ng. You can set all the things from here. API documentation is for Mascawa. You can set the manual funding account from here. You can set the name and the account number, as I previously show you the manual funding method. When a user click on fund his wallet, it will show him the process for what, for manual funding. Let me show you. This is the manual funding. It will show him the account number, the bank name, and what. If he copy it and contact the admin, it will redirect him to your WhatsApp so that he can fund his account from that from your admin dashboard. So this is the what. You can set the electric charges, airtime purchase minimum and the maximum. Make sure you set the maximum airtime purchase for only 200 naira or 500 advisably, because when a scammers attack your website, they can only they are usually purchasing. Make sure wallet transfer you set it to this 1 million or above, because when you set it at lower price, there's process that scammers use to just debit others users wallet. So this is the agent upgrade fee. You can set it to any amount, meaning when user want to upgrade to an agent, you will just automatically charge him that amount. When a user want to upgrade to an vendor, you can set the amount that you want to charge him. So this is all the processes. You can set you can change the website view from that page. You can change the website color. This is the customizable script that I am telling you. This is the most customizable script. You can change the design, the home design, as you can see. You can change the front end design. You can change whatsoever you want. This is the back end page. You can save it after you have changed. This is the contact details that I am telling you. You can customize it. You can add your WhatsApp group link. You can add your Instagram link, Facebook, and whatsoever. You can type your phone number. This is a network. You can enable the data. You can enable SME. You can disable SME. You can enable whatsoever. You can enable for the airtime. Click on this airtime. just to enable or to disable. Click on every logo to go directly to the MTN, Airtel, or Glo, or Airtel, or 9 Mobile, to just customize it and look exactly. Make sure this exactly the ID for MTN. The ID for MTN is one. You can change what you can change the cable API from here. Let me face the API from here. Let me just change electricity bill API. You can use several API for any services. For instance, you can use another API for MTN, you can use another API for Airtel, you can use all the same API. Click on this data to set the data API. You can paste all the API that you copied from that your API. When you point your API, you can directly purchase everything from here, paste it one after the other, and select the API provider. Because we have several API providers on this website, you don't need to just type it manually. For the pay stack, you can set the pay stack and wallet top up charge. You can on it or off it, but now I off the pay stack because people don't want to use it. For Monify, you just need to copy the Monify secret key, Monify contract key, and on either the on all the account number. Monify activation, you want people to activate your Monify or whatsoever. You want people to get Wema bank account. You want people to, so this is all the settings that you can do it manually. So I will show you how to copy this Monify API key and secret key. Let us go directly to the Monify. You just need to create account with Monify, monify.com, and create an account, so that to verify the account is where you can receive your, when your user want to fund his account, is a place where you receive the amount sent to your email. So send to your account number, send to the user account number, and it will automatically fund the user account. So as you can see, this is my this is the transaction that I received in my Monify. This is the 26th transaction. This is a pending settlement that I will receive by 10 p.m. every day. By 10 p.m. you receive your money that users use to fund their account. Make sure you just make KYC for your Monify to go live. So this is when you click on this developers, it will show you this API key. You just need to copy this API secret key and contract key and whatsoever to just go and link it. This webhook URL, make sure the webhook URL is exactly like you see it here. Your page / webhook / Monify / index.php. So this is the exact URL for the webhook. Make sure you come and update this webhook URL after you connected to your Monify, because if you didn't update it like this one that you see, it will not show you the it will not show you the it will not show you the it will not fund your user. This is the Monify contract address that I copied. You can just update it. You can do wallet top up charges. For the percentage, you can charge user 10%, because when you fund 1,000, you will charge him 100 naira. You can also charge him 1% when you want to fund 1,000. Charge him. You can also set it to 0, whatsoever you want. Now when I click on login and click on and type my phone number and the password and click on login, it will redirect me to my page. As you can see, now I have 1,000 naira. Let me test by purchasing data. Click on MTN, click on SME, click on 1 gig. Let me type my phone number to see either I can directly purchase MTN data from this website that we recently created. Type my password 1234 and click on what and click on purchase. So now you can see it is processing. The transaction is successfully, the previous balance, all balance, and the date that I made the transaction. I can also view user receipt to send the transaction details to the user that I send. When you click on view user, it will just remove the all balance and new balance. You can screenshot and send to a user. So now that you can see I receive my data, right? 1 gig from so. So this is exactly how to make transaction after you connected everything. You can do it yourself. So you can also chat me up to do it for you. So you can see I can also purchase what purchase. I can also see my transaction. This is the wallet credit, this is the data that I purchased, this is the refund that I got from the previously that I refund my wallet. So what is the next step? Create set your airtime data plan ID and price. I have shown you how to do that previously. Create a user, credit him and test transaction. We have do that. Download a AB file to upload to Play Store. This is the last thing that I think we have done previously. So you can get this script at the price of what? At the price of 10,000 naira per promo, because after the end of the promo it will just go back. I will set it at the price of 18 times the previous normal price for the script. But for now, you can get the script at exactly what? At exactly 10,000. You can purchase the script directly from the link that I set below this video. You can also chat me on my that I set on the description of this video. You can, after you click on the link that I set on this video, you can get the seller are watching this video right now. This is how to purchase the screen. Click on more. As you can see, after you click on more, when you click on this link, it will redirect you to my WhatsApp, because I just added the WhatsApp number. You can chat me up if you want me to create a B2 website for you. Just, you don't need to code, you don't need to do anything. I will just send you what? I will just send you the I will just send you your admin dashboard login details, your application and whatsoever details. So I will pass it. You don't need to purchase anything, you just need to pay for the service. So this is the link to pay for the service. The service is now you can check the price of the service every time. I will update the price, because for now I am offering an offer for 39,000 naira for complete website. But for now, if you want to purchase the script, this is the seller link for the script. To get this script, click on this seller. I will guide you on how to purchase the script. After you just click on this seller account, it will redirect you to what? It will redirect you to our seller website, where you can get the script. After you make your purchase, it will just redirect you to the what? To the it will just redirect you to the seller website, and you can purchase the script to get the step by step so it will show you this one. If you want to own the script, so this is the process to purchase the script. After it shows you this page, you can go directly to view the English tutorial on how to create a B2 website whatsoever. This is the course. So you can click on this buy now. If you click on this buy now, you can set the total amount and click on checkout. Then type your name, email address and the phone number. Then click on pay now. After you click on pay now, it will redirect you to the page where you can make your payment. You can also purchase the BTU service. You can do it yourself. No need to. So it will redirect you to this page where you can pay with card or pay with transfer. So I prepared to change this payment method to pay with transfer, because it is the preferable way of payment. So you can copy this account number. After you copy this account number, just copy the exact amount you want to send. When you transfer the money and click on I have sent the money, it will automatically confirm the transaction, and you will get the link to redirect to the what? This is the sent and receipt. It will redirect you to this folder where you can get the SQL file, the step-by-step guide and the script. So make sure you purchase this script. Thank you for using beta data, because we are the preferable website to purchase an airtime and the data. And make sure you navigate through our website to see all our services. Thank you for choosing us.